Hello. What is your name? Very good. Well, I did get this for you. What do you think?
I know. Wait, sir, you can have it.
Oh. My name is Penny.
Okay.
Because my mic's on.
Can you sit? You sit good.
Hello. And what is your name?
My name's Penny.
Oh, nice to meet you, Penny.
No waste.
Wow. Frank, your turn is coming, sir.
He's like, please. I've been waiting so patiently.
Yeah, get in there.
Spin! You do the whole thing. Spin!
Good job! Whoa! Oh, and would you have some time to please tell me your name?
Gertrude Beatrice Matheny.
Wow, she can talk and eat.
You can call me Gertie.
What can't she do?
I can't wait to see this.
Should I vote? That. And so, who do we have here?
Franklin. I don't know my middle name. Matheny.
Well, it's so nice to meet you. What is your name? Okay, not quite. Okay, one more time. Okay, oh, it's that. Okay, wow, yes, I'm Ashley, by the way. Frank's sister is wishing she had another cone.
She was an only child for